blue side.
And next up, the Alliance captain, Team 3735.
It's Vortex.
And rounding out this Red Alliance, Team 624.
Team Kryptonite.
Coming over to the blue side of the field, the number 8 Alliance. First up, we have Team 3481.
It's the Brockbots.
And their Alliance captain, Team 2583.
It's Warrior Robotics.
And finally, Team 6800.
The Team Valor.
All right, we got a thumbs up. Drivers behind the line in 3, 2, 1, go.
Both alliances are fighting hard to stay in the tournament with this tiebreaker match. The Red Alliance has one gear up into their human players' hands. Both alliances have a gear up and scoring it in their rotors, getting one rotor turning in autonomous. 624 is already across the field towards their human player loading stations, ready for a gear into their robot. Blue Alliance gets another gear up, but it falls down back onto the field. 3481, the Brockbots coming back to pick it up and help their human players out a little bit. Looks like one of their lifts is stuck, but they'll have 2 more to work with this match. 2583, the Warrior Robotics coming over to the blue airship, waiting for their partners to get the gears before they can load one up. 624 and 3735, Vortex and Kryptonite already on the red side working to get their gears. 3735 places theirs, and 624 does the same. 2 rotors spinning for the Red Alliance, and Blue Alliance is working on their second. 6800 places a gear on the lift for their team, and they're looking to get theirs. The 3735 coming across the field with a funky little swerve drive going on there. Looks like they're sliding across the field. 2583 coming back, getting hit by 624 as they're both heading over. 624 is going to pick up a gear from the human loader station, and 6800 still working on picking up a gear from the floor in front of that lift that's broken. 624 now loading a gear onto the red airship. The Red Alliance now has 3 rotors spinning with just under a minute left in this match. 3735 working on a gear as 64 has deposited one already. The Red pilots are hard at work placing those gears for the rotors to spin. Looks like the Blue Alliance ties up the rotor score. 3 rotors spinning for each alliance. 2583 and 6800 looking to defend in the middle of the field, and 3481 is looking to stop 624 from scoring. Looks like the ropes are coming down with 30 seconds left to go. Some contact between blue robots in the middle of the field as they're trying to stop Kryptonite from getting over to their rope to climb. 3481 is looking to make it over. We'll see if either of them can climb in the last few seconds. 2 robots up for blue already. Can red tie it up as 3 robots are going up in the last few seconds? All 3 red robots are up. And can Brockbots tie it up with just 2 seconds left? And time expires. Here's the score for quarterfinal 1, tiebreaker. It was a close match, but it's a win for the Red Alliance. The first seed Alliance is moving on with a score of 305 to 280, but well done and well fought to the 8th seed Alliance of 2583, the Robo Warriors, 3481,